Okay, so it's been a while since I did a review, so I thought I'd review this because I've had this for a while now, and it is, for me, in my view, one of the best items I've ever bought that I've never heard of name-wise, basically. So I was looking for a food mixer to replace my old food mixer from years ago, and I basically could not afford and was unwilling to pay £400 for a food mixer. So I bought this one, which is a Kichot make, available on Amazon, or it was at the time, and I paid just $59.99 for this. And for me, it's just awesome, and it's because it's got an 1800 watt motor, and as you probably already know, all food mixer is a motor at the back there, a chain at the top, and obviously your bowl. It's got the dough hook on it, as you can see at the moment. I'm just making some bread rolls, so that'll be just on number 1 speed, and just making up a standard sort of bread roll mix, which I might as well show you at the end as well, and just kneading it for 10 minutes, which we shall come back to, just to show you how good this little machine is. Okay, so that's the dough in there, that's all ready, and then we'll just let that prove for around an hour or so, and we'll come back to that in a second. So I'll just cover that up now. Okay, so now the dough's all done. Before I clean, I might as well show you the size of the bowl. I'll just put the ruler on there. It gives you an idea of the size of the bowl, because it is pretty huge, I've got to be honest, and it's really good. I mean, it's just me on my own here, but if you obviously have a family and there's more of you, obviously it's gonna really help you out. So really good size bowl, and you get your standard, you get your beater with it as well, and you get the whisk with it, a great big whisk, great big bowl, so great for whisking up your cream and making butter if you want to do that as well. So really good little device, and then I'll finish off making these rolls and show you how a little just basic recipe, 5 ingredient recipe bread rolls come out using this little Kichot device. Okay, so that's the rolls all done from the dough we just made with our Kichot food mixer, and we're just going to leave them on their second rise, and they should rise pretty well, as they usually do. Been doing this recipe for a long time, which is basically a 5 ingredient recipe, which I make my little sandwich rolls up, or not sandwich rolls, but rolls with salmon and cheese and things like that. Basically 500 grams of your favourite flour, 320 of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil, with a packet of instant yeast, and they come out lovely and soft. Okay, so that's the rolls all proved, so let's get them in the oven for 16 minutes on 160. So, and there we go, there's the rolls all finished and completed with my little Kichot. Well, I say little, it's actually huge. Well, not huge, but the bowl is it's very large, as I explained. But yeah, it's a great little device. If you see this, as I say, it was $59.99 when I bought it, which is Feb 23. I don't know, but they've not been around for a while. I did check a couple of weeks ago because I forgot to make this, so I checked again before I made this, and it's still not on sale. So I think it's an American company, but great little bit of kit. You obviously get your whisk, your dough hook, and your beater, and helps me make my whole grain rolls, which I use. I basically just freeze these when they've cooled down, and I just take one out in the morning to have with my lunch, whatever I have in the roll. So there you go, the Kichot food mixer is the word I'm looking for. Hope you enjoyed, and hope it's been a bit helpful for you. Thanks, bye.